Yo, what's up guys, how are you all doing? Today we're gonna be talking about how to enable format on save for appretiate formatter on VS Code. So I'm so thrilled to be guiding you today to solve this problem. So be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to get new information about solving everyday's problem. So talking the less, let's dive into it and let's get started. So first things first, we're gonna go for extensions and then we're gonna type formatter. This is it, appretiate formatter, code formatter, and then
2,000 years later.
We're gonna scroll down and look at this code. Then we're gonna type this code, we're gonna copy it and then go back. We're gonna click Control plus comma or Command plus comma if you're using Mac, and then we're gonna go for text editor, then font, and then we're gonna click on edit in settings.json. Okay, this is it. I'm gonna delete it for now, so I'm gonna type and then we're gonna go click Ctrl S to save this code, and then boom, problem is solved. Then we're gonna check it out. So I'm gonna create a new file.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. Nice.
And then we're gonna hit Ctrl S. Okay guys, we got it. That's it for today. Be sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to see more reliable content, and remember to write down your problem in a comment in detail. Then I'm gonna expose solutions as soon as possible. I was so pleased to try to come up with new ideas to be assistive, and I wanna hear from you, drawbacks, so that I can improve my content. Chill out and peace.